Good afternoon, I'm Jeff. I'm at Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 1649 Northeast Barberry Drive. We're pulled the toilet in, this is unit 16, in unit number 16 to try and scope the sewer line. We're going to have water running here in just a moment. We're going through looks like a 3-inch, actually this may be 4-inch cast iron flange here. Here we go. I'm going to keep the camera moving very quickly to get through all the turns. I'll pull back slower. It appears we've got some roots here about 76 feet out. We're at the extent of my camera reel currently. We'll go locate and find out where this is at. Alright, located the camera head successfully. I'm going to put a white marking down on the ground here, a white X. Looks like the joint here has separated. We've also got some roots that are coming through. And I'm going to have to move the camera to a different point of access to scope the rest of the way to the street. The line's gone underneath the story with the building with 2 stories. We're about 8 to 10 feet short of the street curb currently there. And more roots here at 77 feet. Okay, located the camera right here in the washroom, under the washroom floor. And it does look like we've got some roots going on there. It also looks like we have a belly. It's really hard to see here because of the standing water in the line. I think we've got continuous flow going through here too, so I don't have the greatest look at this, and it's kind of hard to tell exactly where the belly starts and stops if we have water flow still going. But I would recommend correcting that pipe there underneath the washroom floor. I have it marked with blue painter's tape, picking the camera up at about 3 feet deep there. I've got some kind of, it could be just human waste here. The hard part is we've got about 20 units in here using toilets and stuff, and now I can't really see what's going on here. But I can't tell if that's just some debris that's hung up there, if there's something else going on. I did not see obvious roots protruding out there, but there's something kind of stuck to the wall of the pipe there. Almost looks like there's strands that it's attached to the pipe wall with. I just have a terrible view. There's so much gunk that's collected right here. I'm going to locate it, but this is kind of an unknown. It's very hard to discern what's going on there. It certainly is possible it's roots. Now, this is located out underneath the walkway right in front of this unit, about 1 foot 4 inches deep, very shallow. Again, it's very difficult to discern if that's roots or if it's just a bunch of, it could be a tampon stuck to the pipe wall. They will do that and look kind of similar to roots. I'm going to go ahead and reel the camera all the way out. We found those 3 issues thus far. We're going to try and move the camera over to a second clean out to try and finish scoping basically from where we stopped at 111 feet all the way out to the main of the street. Okay, we're moving to the secondary clean out, which is just straight across from Unit 16 where we just scoped from the toilet. Another cast iron clean out. And about the first 15 feet of this or so is pipe we've already scoped. And here we go. And here's where it switches to concrete pipe. And it goes into a bunch of standing water here. There are also some roots amongst all that. And here at 46 feet out from the second clean out, we have reached the main lateral. Okay, so right here, there about 25 feet is where the camera pops back out of the water at. I've already marked the line here. We had some roots coming through right here. And it looks like the pipe is also bellied out. It's probably what allowed the roots to come through. There's going to be 2 X markings right out here near the street. Okay, I've got the ground mapped out with paint here. Looking at about 9.5 to 10 feet deep where the standing water and the roots were sitting at. So I'm going to do this as if we're going from the toilet from 111 feet to about 119 feet. We've got the belly here and roots that I recommend getting corrected. I'm going to go ahead and reel the camera all the way back out. From this point of access from unit 16 all the way out, we have possible roots at 40 feet under the walkway. At about 70 feet, 77 feet, we have roots and a belly underneath the washroom floor. And then from 111 to 119 feet, we have another belly and roots on the exterior out near the street. I recommend rescopes after any repair work to ensure it was done properly.